gold USD continued the bullish momentum and gained more than 2.5% in a week. The upward pressure came from the weaker US dollar and US Treasury bond yield. However, the upcoming days don't have significant macroeconomic events, which might provide an opportunity for technical traders. The weekly gold USD candlestick shows an immediate rebound from the opening price but failed to breach the 1992.62 resistance. However, the long-term upward trend is still active, where the price is likely to move above the 2000 psychological level. In the daily chart, the 14-day RSI moved above the 60 line, which is a sign of an upward trend continuation. Moreover, the 20-day EMA is below the price with an upward slope, which could work as a confluence support for bulls. Based on the daily market outlook, an upward continuation is potent, where a daily close above the 2000.00 level could advance the price above the 2040 level. On the bearish side, sellers need a stable market below the 20-day EMA, whereas a D1 candle below the 1955 is crucial for targeting the 1920 and 1900 support levels.